Hey guys, so what are the 3 best habits that rich people do versus those who haven't got money? Rich versus poor. What's the difference? Well, it's down to their habits, their thinking. If I had to put it down to 3 things, these are what the 3 things would be. Stay tuned on this video and I will tell you. What I have actually noticed since people have been coming to me to ask me how to get rich, whether it's through business, property, Forex, I have multiple businesses I run. Since 2004, I started my financial journey. I have a property business, a tech company, I have an education company, and I'm now taking companies public. So it's very exciting and it's been an incredible journey. But my favorite thing in the world is helping other people, because I do feel that, well, my philosophy in life is, one, you can't take money with you, which is a fact. And I think the biggest wealth you can create in life is showing others how to be there, how to get there, because I started from nothing. So this is really helpful for everyone. Now, the first habit is making sure you're around people that think as big as you do, if ideally bigger, because your network is going to be the most important and most powerful thing. If you're hanging around people that are earning a tenth of what you earn or half of what you earn, I'll be very honest, you're going to actually be suppressing your growth. So you need to be around people that earn at least 10 times more. They don't have to be friends. You just need to find business owners and a business network. Your network is your net worth. So that's number 1. The second thing you need to be very good at is problem solving. So for example, do you think it gets easy the more money you have, the bigger the business, the more businesses you have? Absolutely not. It's going to get harder. It's going to get more difficult. So your job is to get used to solving problems. They're going to be lots. If you're employing people, you're going to have people problems. If you've got contractors, you're going to have contractor problems. If you've got litigation issues, that's only going to get bigger as you get bigger in business. So please get used to solving problems. The bigger the problems you fix, the more wealth you can create and the further up the ladder you get. So it's not by accident that the people at the top are just very good at solving problems. It's a skill. So you can learn it too. And please don't be scared next time you have a problem coming at life. Be grateful. Think, okay, this is going to make me better in life, in business, making money and success. So really get used to that skill. The third one, in my opinion, is time is money. So that means you've got to be super selective with the 24 hours you have around you, because we are not going to get any more time. So we have to use whatever time we've got in the most efficient way ever, which means next time you get someone ringing you on the phone, are you going to answer the phone call just because it's ringing? Or are you going to be very selective and have somebody else answer those phone calls and only deal with what is needed? So rich people have usually a personal assistant or somebody who takes on all the front end time-consuming content in life, and they just deal with whatever they feel is going to get them the highest value, whether it's best business or if they're going to, add more value in that area. They only deal with what they want, which is super selective skill. So be selective. In fact, start saying no more often than saying yes to everything. It's probably more important what you say no to than what you say yes to all the time. Spend your time mastering those things and you'll find you'll get very successful. So guys, I hope that helped you. 3 different things, the 3 best skill sets that rich people do that makes them richer. And I think you will definitely benefit from that. Use it, start from now, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notifications bell so you get my next YouTube video notification, and comment below, because I want to hear from you. I want to respond to your comments and I want to help you. If you've got any other questions that you want me to answer, or queries about life or business, and I really want to help you. So see you guys soon. Bye.